हेलो।
मैं भी दिखे तेरे घर की बारात हुए, मेरे जैसा आशिक तू ढूंढ के दिखा। आके जा लिए दिसंबर या पहला भी बड़े, तेरे रूप ने करे ये मेरे रोंगटे खड़े। आज ते पहला ये नैन कितने नहीं लड़े लड़े, तेरे ते तो रह गए यार पढ़े के पढ़े। देख ले यो मौका बार बार नहीं मिलेगा, देख ले हाँ मेरे जैसा यार नहीं मिलेगा। देख ले हाँ मिला भी तो प्यार नहीं मिलेगा, देख ले कोई ऐसा दिलदार नहीं मिलेगा। देख ले हाँ चल शीत लहर तेरे शहर, देख ले रे मौसम या हो रहा कती जहर। देख ले तू काट के रजाई मैं ते पैर, देख ले कोई बहाना ला के आ सके जे बहर। कदे देखिए जाडे में मारे गाम का नजारा, जमा सीनरी सा लागे दिखे दूर ते ही प्यारा। बूंद ओस की खेता पे करे मोतियां ने फैलिया के बैठिए सराणे, जमा ताता पड़ा हारा। हाँ तू बात थोड़ी करे तू चहकती चले, हाँ फुल्ला की तरह तू महकती चले। हाय सच्ची सच्ची बता सीखा कड़े ते ये जादू, तू बकाए जावे बुद्धि मेरी बहकती चले। देख ले है तेरी इच्छा जोर कोनी कोई, देख ले मेरा भी अड़े और कोनी कोई। देख ले तू कालज में चोर कोनी कोई, देख ले चलांगे जित शोर कोनी कोई। देख ले हाँ चल शीत लहर तेरे शहर, देख ले रे मौसम या हो रहा कती जहर। देख ले तू काट के रजाई मैं ते पैर, देख ले कोई बहाना ला के आ सके जे बहर। देख ले हाँ चल शीत लहर तेरे शहर, देख ले रे मौसम या हो रहा कती जहर। देख ले तू काट के रजाई मैं ते पैर, देख ले कोई बहाना ला के आ सके जे बहर। देख ले
I hope I'm audible right now. Yeah, I hope I am audible right now. Let me just copy it, bring it. I think now I am audible more, a bit low I think. Yeah, so today we are going to build the AI SaaS product that I already mentioned, the vibe cloner. Or maybe I have two options to build that we can build. Let me add a poll. Like what should श्यामबक आवाज़ साफ नहीं है। अभी साफ है क्या? अभी मैंने थोड़ी चेंज किया। डेवलपर पर्सन शाउट आउट टू यू ब्रो, शाउट आउट। Yeah, so Yeah, I mean, super chat. I have disabled the super chat so that no one can send it right now. Oh, raid. Thank you for the raid, Satyam question. Wow. Vid to viral or fit AI? This I have two options right now. Like first option is Vid to viral. Let me just explain the project quickly so that you will understand it. So what is Vid to viral is? Yeah. Hey, give me a second, please. I forgot where was it. Okay, let me just ask it directly. No. Okay, so virtual basically is nothing like it is just a YouTube chat, not YouTube. Like basically you can paste your YouTube link there, YouTube video link, and it will generate a week of Twitter post, Reddit post, everything. Like is a AI based SaaS designed for content creator who want to dominate social media without spending hours on manually writing. For example, there is a podcast of anyone like Ranveer Alabadia or anyone. It could be anyone, no worries. He just need to add the video there, and from that he will get the idea for the Twitter thread, LinkedIn post, blog, TikTok, or anything. So this is what we are going to build. Slow mode on कर दो. What is slow mode? Pratham, I am unable to get it. Yeah, of course, Pratham, you will get to learn a lot more from here. Yeah, so basically I am just using Arch Linux for a contact. So you tell me, like just I have added a poll. Please poll that, and whatever you tell, we'll build it. And by the way, the AI image calorie tracker is basically simple, like where you will take a photo of the meal that you are eating, but before that you will be onboarded to the project. So basically you will be onboarded in the sense you will add your weight, height, everything, your dimensions basically in the projects or in to feed to the AI. Based on that, the AI will ask you like if you want to do bulk, if you want to do cut, anything, and it will tell you the calories, how much you need, or anything, macros, sugar, everything it will tell you. So that is what we are going to build, the AI image gallery. You tell me what should we focus on. In low sound, is it? I have increased the sound now. Please check. I think this is good. I have increased the sound now. Please check. I think now it is good. Yeah. So please, AI image calorie tracker. 67% votes are saying AI image calorie tracker, and 33% of votes saying Vid to virus. Come on guys, please vote if you haven't voted already. Okay, so we are going to build AI image calorie tracker. So for that, just be on the safe side, we need to do a lot of research. Let me just enable the 3.1 Pro. So okay, let me just end the poll also. I will be. Is this good or what? What? Are you able to hear this background music or not? Can you please tell me? Yeah, there's a chirp sound. I don't know why. Hmm? I think now it is fine. So basically, I'm just telling the AI. Like I'm thinking of building a project. The project is an AI-based calorie plus all the nutrient macro tracker. So, so the project goes something. Project goes something like we will onboard the person to our project. We will onboard the person to our platform. It will be a web plus mobile application. After that, he will need to sign up to our platform, and he need to fill the data like his height, weight, etc. But he wants like cut, bulk, lean, lean physics, etc. So let me just open drop before that. I will just quickly show you like what I am thinking of building right now. So the project is something like, suppose we have a app, our app. I have named the app. So basically you will have a login first. Here is the login page. I am very bad at writing. Where is the text? Is there any text here? Yeah. Login. So login goes here. After that, what we will do is we will onboard the person. So onboarding. So he will be onboarded to the platform. By onboarding, I mean he needs to fill a form. He will have a details of him like this. Suppose these are his details that he need to fill, like height, weight, etc, etc. After that he needs to tell us what he needs to do, like he needs to do a cut, he needs to cut, he needs to bulk, or he needs to stay on shape. One more thing, we will ask from him that this is optional, okay? So this will be like if he needs to add his photo, if he needs, if he's able to add his picture. So if he is comfortable to add his picture, by this I mean user will add a picture of him here. Okay. So after that, what we will do is, let me just clean it up a bit. It got cleaned fully. So you will add a picture of him, and from that we will analyze. Like suppose my body is too much, I need to grow my muscles more. So I can send my photo to the AI so that AI can understand my picture, and based on that, he will what to say. He will generate how specifically my diet will be. After that is the home page, how specifically my diet will be. Like he will tell us our diet, what the diet is. Uh, for example, I need 2000 calorie, or I need 130 gram of protein, etc., etc. It will tell us. So the currently plan is that, and after that he will he can capture his diet so that the AI can label and track all the calorie, or what you can say, all the macros, label the food and track all the macros, that track all the data of food that is there in the food. So this is the initial plan that I am thinking of right now. So let me just give it to AI. You need to sign up to our platform, and he needs to fill the data like his height, weight, what he needs to do, cut, bulk, physique. Also, we will have a optional thing. Capture the image of the food, yeah. Option to add an image of his body, so that image of his body, so that the AI can understand the physique of his, and that we will give the data slash what he needs diet plan based on the form and the body. The MVP feature, the MVP feature is that he can take a picture of his food, and AI will give all the calorie, nutrients, etc. What do we call it? Let me just chat GPT it quickly. All the calorie, nutrient, FIBR, MSCR macros fall under which category? Nutritional information. Okay, so from now we'll use this. All the nutritional information of the food. Example. Let's take an example. A pizza has top. No, no. Also, we will label the food so that the user knows that the food which has a label is genuine. Like in India, there could be a misconception between let's take an example of rajma, comma, shole bhature, comma, collection, how do we call it? Kala chana, black chickpea, you can say it. Kala chana, yeah, kala chana, etc. Black chana, etc. So AI can't be sure what the food is. So we will ask from the user what the food is. AI will give him 3-4 options, and from those options he needs to choose, or he can enter our option manually. AI will give the closest options that he thinks will match the food. Example, if the AI is not 100% sure about the food, then if he is not sure about the food, then like if he sure about the food, suppose the PRCN percentage is 40% not sure. Closest option that he will ask from the user what the AI is ask from the user what it is. Also, the labeling of the food will help in identifying the food. Example, in pizza we can have what we can have we can have a capsicum, mushroom, etc. So we are not fully sure. Capsicum, etc. So users can see the input and make sure that it is he has eaten, not something he has not, so that we have accuracy, full accuracy of the users need for the entire day. After that is the data will be mostly Indian food driven. Uh, Let me just read it. Like yesterday, I wrote some lines about the project. I was thinking it in my head. Mhm. And based on prompt engineering. Okay, Pratham, for sure. Prompt engineering, yeah, of course. And based on the data about what the user has written, the AI will give a diet chart to the user like he needs, like the user is on a bulk, so he needs 3000 calorie, 200 gram of protein, etc, etc. What is the other thing? How much water also, how much water he wants, etc, etc. And what are the other options? One more thing, one more thing the user will have is one more thing the user will have is exercise plan. Like he adds, he can go to gym, so we will give him exercises based on that. Based on that, like gym exercises sizes, okay. And also we will give no all the exercise, and based on the budget also, and based on how much the user will add the budget, the AI will adapt to that, and will the AI will adapt to that and give the diet chart, give the diet chart according to the. I know, guys, this will be very boring for you, like writing the prompt and all, but trust me, like once the product gets built, it will be truly interesting, because the initial phase always seems to be boring, but when the project is getting built, it will be fun to watch as well as fun to see how the vibe coding platform will work, like VS Code will work or anything. So let's move on to the prompt, and we'll give the diet chart according to that. He will give the diet chart according to that. He will have a diet chart. I'm just thinking in my mind right now what I want from the user. He will have a diet chart, access size plan. He also has. So he has exercise plan also. And now the AI will be smart, like sending notification slash reminders for the go to the gym, comma go to the gym, and comma he will track like the the AI the AI will track the users meal. The has entered as a picture and track the data based on that. Like if the meal has 300 calorie, deduce the 300 calorie from the user's daily calorie. So this is how right now I am thinking the about the project slash as project. This I'm thinking about the project right now. Hmm. What do you think? What do you think? Thinking about this is just raw what I have added here because there could be more features that I want to implement later but can't remember right now. What do you think? Tell me how the planning sounds like. Suggest me some features also and would of the idea. Till then, let me also open cloud.ai. I need to log in here. I don't think you can see the image right now, so let me just add a picture. I don't have any good picture, so this is the only picture I am adding right now. Let me just quickly like this will be short term, like I'm just logging into the cloud. My network is a bit slow, I don't know why. Continue with Google, yeah, of course. I can't show you this phase right now, like my emails are there, which are my personal emails, so that's why. Let me just log in quickly. Something went wrong, but see what is it showing to me. Oh, exposed. My emails are exposed everywhere. But why? Why is it not working, man? I'm trying my best, but it couldn't seem to be working right now. Okay, I got something mail like allowing. Yes, of course it is me. Yes, man, it's me. Yes. What the hell? Cancel. Yes, it's me. Cancel. I have added, man. What are you doing? Continue. You are signing back. I am so frustrated right now. Like this is not working. Oh, finally, man. This start working. Start. Yeah. So as you can see here also. No, I don't want to see. So suggest any pros and cons of first we define it. Challenges also. If you need any kind of clarification slash anything that you want to ask, please ask so that we can be on the same page and make a good project together. Should I write startup together? So this will be code execution. No function calling, I think we should give him, but the URL call context we will get him. Safety setting will just off, turn it off. Stop sequence, there is nothing. Nothing. System instruction, no, we don't need it. 3.1 flow is the model. Sounds like a good plan. Yeah. So let me give it to Sonnet 4.6 also. We'll read from both of them and then code. Until then, guys, if you have any question, you can ask me. There is a buffer. If you have guys any question, you can ask me openly. Like I am open to answers. Currently my viewers dropped to 1, but no issues. I am not doing this for a viewer or something. I am doing this for my personal interest because I like to build projects. Here is the music. Let me just history. See, I am live right now. Luffy. This one you would like to hear or what? So it has given us a prompts. Yeah. So here, they sound like a fantastic and highly relevant idea. The health and the fitness tech is booming, but you have correctly identified a massive mood. Most global my fitness while are terrible at accurately tracking food. Your approach to handling the ambiguity of Indian dishes along with very smart UX decision. Let people. I am thirsty. Excuse me, can you give me my bottle, please? My bottle, please. If you can, I will really appreciate your help. Solving the curry confusion. India is complex. Thank you very much. Let's start with building on it. Yeah. So solving the curry confusion. India is a complex bowl of dal. Yellow dal can be dal tadka, dal fry, moong dal with different calorie. A human in loop approach is suggest use okay. Many fitness house avocado salmon, yeah, of course. If you can high protein budget friendly like sattu black chana paneer, you will win the masses, especially student and profession. Obviously visual integration, like highlighting ingredients, example pointing out caps emptying around a pizza, build immense trust. Yes, of course, the user can actually see their food rather than just guessing. Yeah, of course, that is what I want in my project. All in one ecosystem, combining the workout routine, diet plan, budget and tracking into one app. prevent user from needing three different, open one for gym, one for food, one for fasting. Yeah, portion size. Yeah, this is the major thing I also face, like when thinking, like you can't specify the proportion of it. For example, consider a bowl. How much is the size of a bowl? I can't see the depth. So AI can easily recognize a plate of chola bhatura, but how does AI know if the bowl is 100 gram to 50 gram from a 2D image? So this is a major challenge. Solution: you will need to ask the user input portion size, like one katori, two pieces, tablespoon. Yes, that is what we want. Hidden calories, oil and ghee. In your food, there is a lot of calorie. A photo cannot all if it does or cook with or trio. Huh. Accuracy of the calorie tracker. Yes, this is also option. So we need to refine it in a way, like we need to build a personalized model. I also need to ask, like, can I use a local LLM model for this? So basically what we'll do is we'll build a oil and ghee. For that we'll tackle, how we'll tackle is we'll personalize the AI, we'll fine tune the AI in a way so that he from himself adds the data of ghee and oil. Like we will have a, what is it, just like in API we have, right, every there is a huge amount of data in a database, and by the help of API we can get that data. So this is what we want right now. So but India does not have any specifically or specified API that we can use for our case. So we will fine tune the AI in a way so that he can guess and track all the calorie built on it. This is optional, like asking user to upload a photo of their body during onboarding is a huge privacy risk. Okay, not onboarding, but evaluation later. Like people are very insecure and paranoid about data leaks. Technology very difficult to accurate. Yeah, what we can do is we can build a 3D image also. Like I just want the data so that the user, it is a personalized for user. Massive highly accurate database of Indian food, breakdown to macros. Yeah, of course, that is the major concern I'm right now having. Voice logging. Sometimes taking a photo is awkward, like as the business laws allowing user to just tap in the mic and I say I ate two rotis a small. Yeah, of course we can do that. Like instead of this, we can make a text to image, voice to text, something like that, so that image can be added so that the user can also see, like, this is what he has written. Grocery list generator. Since the user dial plan budget, the Kelly can auto generate a weekly grocery shopping list which partner with Blink. So user can buy the groceries with the one click. Wow. If happens, I will be very happy. Like people are using my project and on a large, huge, big scale, so that it is partnered with some big companies. Dietary preferences and allergy allow users to select strict vegetarian, negative. Yeah, of course we'll have it. Of course. Just like this is optional. This is a bit complicated. We'll see about this. Water and fasting. So I'll just add it. Yes, looks like a good option to me. Looks like a good option to me, and also we can something text to image so that the user can see the food. The user can see the food. User can see the food. Say not see. So that the user can see the food by just texting. And he visualize what he has eaten. Strictly. Yeah, of course we'll have this. Yes, major thing. Yes, one of the major thing we will have. Than to search for the decision. This looks complicated to me, so I'll ask. This looks complicated to me. Can you ensure to implement? Is that the case here? Yeah, we can have. For version you should not build apps. Push to machine. Drop the whatever standard where the user input and okay, the focus heavily on unique cell USP get to feature working perfectly simply. Okay. Target audience, are you targeting the strict actually I am targeting both like gym bros can also come and type they have this much year of experience, so the AI will be for them that way, and for beginner that way, like on point / precise diet meal. I just need to check with my one member. Can you check? Excuse me. Can you check that in my YouTube the background voice of music is coming or not? It's not. Can you double check please once? What about now? I will increase the size bit. It's coming now. What about my voice? Is it good with this or what?
The music is very low.
Music is low. Yeah, I kept it. Like my voice should also be audible, right? It shouldn't be that everyone is hearing to music. Just give me a thumbs up if you think it's good. Okay, thank you. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Yeah, so monetization strategy. No. And for beginner, it will give the ideas. 5 to 6 years. One point side diagonal. And how am I planning to monetize this? What we will do is we will give a free demo to the user for 3 days and 5 photos limit per day. Legal customer, and we will have 3 tiers. We will have tiers of subscriptions for monthly as well as if a user wants everything personalized, if you want everything personalized, so we will give him the best AI model available so that everything will be precise and clear. ठीक है that checking about technical. What do you think? Because if I use the already available model, then it will be too tough for me. It will be too costly, not tough. In the dev only, and I currently do not have that much funding on me. So in development we will use the local model. What do you think? Or we can build and train our custom computer vision model. In India, you're capturing this. How are you planning? Italy, how do you envision the user capturing this? Will the AI draw boxes around each item to identify them? Like the AI will arrow towards the AI will arrow towards the arrow coming out of the thing. Suppose rotis and box, it will label roti, something like that. Oh, I forgot to change the title. Stream setting. Building, this is not what we are building right now, so duplicate tab. Where is my whiteboarding? Currently I am building this description for the day one stream. What I am building is suggest some good names. Some good names also. Rerun this. Thinking level is always high. Till then, this year Aahar, nutrition, vigor, by good huge AI helps us. By putting something like this. Oh, I need to add the description also. Cancel. No, I don't want to put man. Today's goal, no, there is no today's goals. Okay, save it. I don't think many people are watching my stream right now, but no issues. I don't care about people, I just care about building things. Okay. So it has given me. Till then, let's read the or people get a fine tune the model from the user. Next, want to focus on first feature planning. Yes. Wow, meal memory. Wow. Let me just give it something like these are the more things that we want. No. This is also good that I can have meal memory. Next is this thali it is already scaling recipe. Yes. This also looks good. So we also festival completed. This also local goods integration. No, or like currently we can have it, but for later. We can have this for later. Local festival. Just already got message. Yeah, of course. Yes, this is the one feature I wanted. Yes, of course. This the one feature I want. Yes. Yes, and based on location also, like in Delhi, the solution is very much so not suggesting to go for whereas in Himachal you can go for a walk every day. Hmm. 4 liter. ठीक है मैसेज the heart of India home database building is notification. Oh, you need to massive human resource dance. Man, we need to figure this out. Challenges. This is too tough. What is his size? Yeah, I kind of. Yeah, conflicting is wrong messages. We also need to tackle this. We also need to tackle these challenges. Funded global apps for editing. Yeah, man, this is getting used to these ones also. Just gift load this and no, I don't know, take this, rerun this. By the way, how do you like my art setup? Currently I am using hyperless and 4 dots. I think this was the name, and 4 dots hyperland, yeah. So this is the UI shell I am using right now, and I'm liking it very much. Like, see, it is very flexible and very good. However, it has given me something great. Let me prefer. This is a brilliant build of your clear images out of the real world uses of the app and the new feature holistic festive mode. Let me just drink some water. Let's get to the back. Let's get back to building. Please highly completed. Zip okay. The text to image visualize typed food. The image or daily image journey expensive, so if you on the to routine. It doesn't solve a problem for the wow. Stick to text and max question. Yeah, good. Looks good. This is very good. Compare on a business perspective, if you see. Compare during onboarding as for the experiences. Focusing on rings like Apple Watch for calendar. Being focusing on rings like Apple Watch for calendar. Okay. Monetization and technical approach. Your idea to use different models for free versus paid is genius. Training our custom computer vision for will cost you lakhs. What? Excuse me. Just now I got to know that if you are training a computer vision model from scratch, that it will cost you lakhs of money. Are you understanding how much is lakhs of money to train the model? Then in data labeling and cloud computing, do not do it yet. Version free to use ultra fast, ultra cheap, Gemini, which this is old model. I think it is Gemini Pro depreciated. See, depreciated. These are giving me depreciated model. I don't know why. See. Earlier you mentioned drawing books is, and this is called bounding. Edited corner front end. Okay, tackling the hard one challenge. And remember, I started fail in this space is obvious. The brutal food database. Do not build the database menu combined in AI logic when a user logs the ask for a kick for North Indian style thicker or South Indian style water user nail memory feature to you ask this only once. Portion size estimation. AI can accurately guess weight 2D image. AI cannot accurately guess weight of the 2D images yet. The best user experience is exactly what you said earlier. AI identifies the food. AI asks the user to for confirmation. Small category, large category. One ladly. I don't know what they are saying. Body photo and DPDC data privacy. The new act as strict fitness misleading body data. Do not upload your body photo to your servers. Have the app process. Okay, got it. AI hallucination giving wrong macros. Always user breakdown. AI say print button. User can see print date. If the user no mom didn't use cream, they can check. Wow, looks very good, man. This is why I like Gemini. Don't let AI listeners work. Create 10-15 hard coded to match the user. Okay, sure. Don't market it replacing your details. Make it a network who cannot afford later. The coach portal where real dietitian SaaS to okay. I don't want a roadmap. Why is it giving me a roadmap? I don't know why it is like that. Yes, but not impossible. Okay, very expression. Phase 3 real integration very high at scale, very high fast. Was month 1 to huge server cost only. High to medium. Wow. This development user refined to on the host a cheap GPU server. I can host my GPU server only. Cost of 80% end game. Phase 1, phase 2. Addressing average and input data logic with man, this is getting a bit of hectic. Okay, so for every challenge we will give a solution. Man, what I am dealing with right now is a bit harsh. How much time I have spent here? India. Yeah, of course, man. I am from India. Are you expecting me to speak in Hindi? Yeah, I can speak in Hindi, but the thing is, like, if I start speaking on Hindi, then I can't improve my English speaking skills. Right, man? Top chats, live chats. should we close this out for now, or should we keep going for 10-15 minutes? You can tell. Start a Q&A. Should we do it tomorrow? Yes. Yes. Tomorrow I will like to watch this. No. Keep going for more 10-15 minutes. Why I can't start a poll? Why I can't start a poll, man? Oh, got it. I'll be back. Start a poll. Please do a poll, quick poll, so that we can say which is the thing. Okay, 100% of the people are saying yes, tomorrow I'll be back. Okay, I'm expecting more people to poll on my channel. Excuse me? Excuse me? Can you poll? I did a poll in my video. Can you please poll them? If the poll is that I'll start tomorrow, then I'm good. I'm fine with this. Because I'm a bit tired. Although I can go for 10-15 minutes. Wait. Yeah. So the poll is right now 50-50%. Don't give this abusive words, right? Okay. 50-50%. I need one more poll for anyone to change their poll if they can. It's 50-50 though, the choice depends upon me, like what I need to do. What I'm thinking right now is we should leave this as it is. Come back tomorrow with this solution that it has given, as well as the question, as well as what I think it is. So this is our project that we are building right now. Looks fine to me. Let's cut this quickly. This is my mail. I don't need to show you that. This is Thank you guys for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the stream. I hope you enjoyed. I am just a new beginner in this platform who is building project and who likes to build projects basically. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow. I do need these kind of images more. As I was saying, I'll be back tomorrow with more content. I am hoping that I will be posting more and more content based on daily basis. Let's see how it goes. But yeah guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the stream. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps me to grow more and it motivates me to make more videos. Thank you everyone for joining. Now I will be ending the stream soon. Thank you, bye. Can I get thumbs up in the chat? You chat, can I get thumbs up? You chat, can I get thumbs up in the chat? I can put a thumbs up. Thumbs up. You chat. Yeah, thank you guys everyone for joining. I'll see you soon tomorrow. Let's build something amazing together.